Introducing Smart CMS Complaint Management System. Now you can smartly manage your complaints within few seconds. Launch your complaints by different methods. 1. Facilitation centers. Just call facilitation centers, and complaint receiver will launch complaint from his own ID. 2. Mobile app. Every registered user have its own ID. Just with few clicks, launch your complaint. 3. SMS. Write keywords in text message and send it to the facilitation center number. For instant launch of complaint, every complaint auto-triggers SMS notifications, as well WhatsApp notification. Instantly receive confirmation that your complaint has been submitted. Assigned. Completed. Your customer will know exactly who is handling your complaint with real-time updates. Every complaint generates a QR-coded complaint profile where Facilitation Center have access to all details. User may rate the complaint by a QR code by scanning and adding feedback and rating, or from SMS by writing keywords like feedback, "I am impressed with your services," or rate 5 for 5-star rating, which auto-updates the complaint profile, or via link given in completion notification. System records, feedback, and ratings, which helps in improvement of organization workflows. For productivity of an organization, we have KPIs, for example, immediate, urgent, routine, deferred, which calculates performance of Skillman against all complaints. These indicators helps in delayed complaints as well as in user ratings. Combinally KPIs, user feedback, and ratings make the organization smart and productive. Connect our innovative USB dongle device to get the top-notch performance. Eziline Software House, Private Limited, innovated hundreds of organizations via smart solutions. Now it's your turn to be a part of smart economy where innovation meets excellence.